Hi guys, it's Lily. I am back. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, and I got my designer box in today, and it is from Swanee, Georgia. Georgia has been good to me lately, so I'm excited and I'm nervous at the same time. Now, before I get into this box, I want to tell you, I uploaded a video on what I use to clean the linings of my purses and some of the outsides too. I just want to make it very clear, I don't put it on patent leather. That is something totally different that I use on patent leather, and I might do that another time after I finish the Burberry shoes, or one of them anyway, so that you can see the difference, because it's what I did with the purses this morning. And also how to fix the straps on the purses that start coming apart, and the what's it called? Edge coating is off or peeling. I know how to fix that too. My son, like I said many times, works with leather, and he had fixed a very expensive pair of leather soled shoes that I had gotten, that the edge coating was frayed and kind of raw, and he taught me how to do that. So it's the same concept with purses. So if you're interested in learning how to do that and get a little bit more bang for your buck when you're selling your purses and not have to discount them so bad because of it, let me know in the comments, and I'll work on getting something like that together too. I just don't have anything right now that needs it. I'd have to wait till I got something that needed it to show you. But anyway, this is exciting. I love designer boxes. Let's see if we got something good. I hope Carrie watches this video so that she can teach me a few things that hopefully I need to be taught a few things. I already did cut the tape. I have not opened it. There it is. There. Let me just make sure it's the designer box. That's what this said was out for delivery. Yep. Designer box. 7 items. Okay. And it's heavy. Just hopefully a good sign. Cartier Hiver Winter 2001. It feels like wool. It is a blazer. Pretty sure it's black. Cartier. I know that's a good brand. It rings a bell in my mind. Never had it. Never sold it. AC collection. Oh, it says, no. Let's see if it has an inside pocket. No, because that would only be on the men's, right? Probably. So, no size. These fake pockets, they're still shut. So, there's no size. I will have to look at it. I don't know. Did I show you the tag? I believe it's wool. It sure feels like wool. It feels very nice. I don't know. See, I'm going to be stuck on this for a while because measuring and everything, and oh, yay. Please don't be anything wrong with this. Stella McCartney. It's got a mesh top. A nice dress. I don't see any stains. Zipper works. My last designer box, I got a pair of Stella McCartney shoes, and I'm pretty sure I've mentioned it before in one of my last few videos. I listed the shoes for $190, $195, and someone sent me an offer for $175, and I took it. That's nice. This is like a, wow. Oh, I know, there was no size. Yeah, let me see. I found a tag. 38, awesome. Okay, I don't know what that is in clothing. But that's what it's made of. Can you see that? A lot of glare in it. Anyway, pretty dress. I don't see any flaws right off the bat. And I don't know if the clothing sells as high as the shoes. But, shoes got me some more boxes. All right. No. Well, I should know. Is this a, oh, is this a Gucci? This is a Gucci. Oh, it's got some issues, but you know, it's leather. So, said I've got someone in the family that likes leather, so sorry, I just want to see. Okay, yeah, that's coming right off. See that? Okay. There is some, looks like bleach, but I don't think it is. Nope, it's makeup. Awesome. I hope this is real. Because the lining is extremely dirty, but that's not a big deal for me. Here is that Gucci tag, and there is the serial number. This looks like it has been sitting, that looks like gum. I can get that off. Peanut butter. Did I say that? Peanut butter on leather. There are some few threads, but I can take care of those. This might be one that I can reburnish that side if it's real. I'm thinking it is. Wow. I do have a Gucci. This says Gucci, made in Italy. Wow. I'm assuming this hardware is probably a little bit scratched. I do have some metal cleaner that I got for a Gucci belt that I have personally owned for years, and I didn't even know it was a Gucci belt, and it's worth about $800. I have not tried cleaning it yet, but I bought all the stuff to do it. So if that works, I will clue you guys in on that. I don't even know what style of purse this is. It's just, it's not very, it's just like a, that's it. Like a, almost like a clutch, but not a clutch. There's not anything missing. I can clean that up really nice. Gucci, yay. Oh, another pair of shoes. Oh, Ferragamo's. flawed gem. Okay, well, let's see what the flaw is. I find these all the time in my thrift store. This brand, anyway. These are like satin. Not a lot of wear. Size 7.5. That is my size. The insides are just, you know, a little bit dirty, but satin looks good on that one. AAA. 7.5 AAA. That's like really narrow, isn't it? That's probably why they can't sell it, because it's narrow. Shoe taps just have a little, I'll just trim that off. This is very narrow, but size 7.5. It's not too bad. So those just need to be cleaned. It's going to be a hard sell being so narrow. Oh, by the way, these wipes, this is all I use. Dollar General disinfectant wipes, lavender, I think. Lavender scent. Cheap. Oh. Gucci shoes. Oh my gosh. Why? These are huge. Bottoms look really good. I guess these are the driving shoes. There is some scuffing on the toes, but I can work on those. Let's see, size 39. That's only an 8, right? No, that's a 9, because 37 and a half is what I wear. Okay, so the Gucci, it says Gucci here, and it's indented. These are not in bad shape. So nice. They're just really dirty, but I can clean those up. Wow, okay. Ferragamos, I can get all day long at my thrift store, and I just don't pick them up anymore. I finally just gave away a pair that I have, and they were beautiful, brand new, never been used, and I just pretty much gave them away. I don't remember what she offered, but I took it because they've been sitting in my closet forever. What? Barrow. I don't know what this. DG. Dolce Cabana. A little dated, maybe. But they're cute. Yeah, these need some work. They've got some made in Italy, size 39, so that is, what, an 8? Nice platform. They're not too bad. I can clean them up. They're like a gold and a silver both. Let me see how the other one is. The bottoms look great, so I don't, maybe they were just sitting somewhere. They just need some love. Yeah. Got a few nicks in the heel there. Yeah, those are definitely nicks. Anyway, not bad. And last item, I have some glasses. Anybody want to guess? Do I want to guess? Maybe Prada? Yeah, I couldn't get that lucky, huh? I'm guessing, let's see, Gucci, because let's just see. Outside has no, oh, Fendi. Fendi. I just bought a pair of Fendi eyeglasses for when I go get my eyes checked. The case has seen better days. I'm surprised the glasses are even in there. All right, let's see. Yeah, definitely needs a better case. These are very dirty. Like makeup dirty. I didn't bother to clean it up. It's coming right off. I don't know what these go for, but I know I got mine for, I got them off of a another Posher. So, you know, they weren't a lot, but I liked the style, and I need a new prescription, so I thought, why not get something nicer. All right, they came clean. They took care of the glasses. The case, not so much. But it has Fendi, and this is just dirt makeup from being worn. But let me see if I can get that close enough for you to see. Fendi, and it's got the serial number here. And let's see, what does it say on this side? It doesn't say made in Italy. Is it supposed to say made in Italy? Anyway, these are in excellent condition. Everything but the case. And here's the Fendi's. So what is that, cat eye? But they're also good. Spring is good. Nice. Oh, I'm just so happy. What is it? Georgia is just really coming through for me. Providing everything is authentic. So I've got the Fendi sunglasses. I got the Gucci driving loafers. What did I say these were? I got the Dolce & Gabbana platform heels, block heels, nice. These are stretch, by the way. I don't know if I told you that. And the Ferragamo, Salvatore Ferragamo shoes that I can get all day long at my thrift stores here. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Just the bed is worn to where, I mean, I can clean it, but it's still going to be worn. Yeah, it's not coming off. So, I don't know. This is probably the least amount in the box. I got this pretty Gucci purse. Please be authentic. I'll have to do some research. I got this very nice Stella McCartney dress. And this I know nothing about. The Cartier. I know the brand is good. No size tag. No material tag. So I will have to research this a bunch. Unless somebody knows offhand, or maybe the size tag is somewhere where I'm not seeing it. Let me know. Alright, another great box. Another great ThredUp box. I'm happy. And this, again, came from Swanee, Georgia. The place that I've had, like, not the greatest boxes from until recently, and they've been awesome. So, Like I said in my last video, I think it's just the luck of the draw and what comes up at the time that you order your designer box. I don't think there's one place better than the other. I'm surprised, honestly, to get this caliber of things from the Georgia location in a designer box. But I'm just happy to get them from wherever they come from. This is a great box. This is going to make me some money as soon as I figure out what some of this stuff is worth. So if you know anything, please leave your comments or send me an email. Walk me through some of these pieces that, like the Cartier jacket, the Gucci purse. I got to figure out if that's authentic. I might send it, send photos to get an authentication on it, depending on what I find personally. I like the Bagaholics the best because I used I think it was on authentication.com one time for a Gucci, and I was very disappointed in how they handled things. Could have just been a bad day, but Bagaholics 101, I think it's called, a lot cheaper too. I can get everything I need for under $20 versus $50 with the other one. I didn't have great service, but sorry. Anyway, to each their own. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, like the video, and of course I will be back again because I have several more boxes coming. So if you want to see what all the other boxes are that's coming, I have 2 more designer boxes coming for sure. I don't know where they're coming from. They've not shipped yet, so I'm assuming it's not Georgia. It's going to be either Arizona or Pennsylvania. Let me make sure this is Georgia. Yep, Georgia. Okay. And then I've got a couple fun boxes coming and a rental retiree box coming. So, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload the next videos. And also, if you want to learn a little bit about how I fix the leather portions of the purses that you would normally just wipe clean. If you're interested in that, leave that in the comments too. And when I come across something that needs to be fixed, I will do a video. If not, I won't do a video. Simple. Anyway, all right, I will see you next time, probably tomorrow, because I know I have 2 boxes coming tomorrow, maybe 3. And I will see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching. Lily out.